and this is the laser curvature, and this is the greater curvature. This is the cardiac end, and this is the pyloric end. Pyloric end is nodular because there is aggregation of circular muscle, and from the cardiac end there is a horizontal line above it. This is the fundus of the stomach, and this is the body of the stomach, and this is the incisura angularis, and incisura angularis there is a horizontal line and there is a vertical line. Between them there is a pyloric antrum, and this is the pyloric canal. This is the 3.5 centimeter and this is the 7.5 centimeter. And there is a costal margin, and this is the transverse mesocolon, and there is a left border and quadrant lobe of the liver, and there is a triangular area. This is the gastric triangle.
ট্রান্সভার্স কোলন হবে এটা।
ট্রান্সভার্স কোলন, কোস্টাল মার্জিন, আর হচ্ছে যে লেফট বর্ডার অ্যান্ড quadrant lobe of the liver. And in the posteriorly there is a crux of the diaphragm. There is a spleen, splenic artery, pancreas, and there is a left kidney, left suprarenal gland, and transverse mesocolon. Here cardiac end is 1.2 centimeter left, and pyloric end is 2.5 centimeter right to the midline.
ভালো করে দেখা যাইতেছে না, আচ্ছা থাক, এমনিই থাক।